up, guys? Today, I just got out of school. It was 11:45 dismissal, and I got no school on Friday. Yeah. But today, we learned about saving energy. We got this whole green bag stuff, and I am using one of them. So basically, what this is what it uses is it. You see this black part? This is control. This is always on, and then this is the controls that it uses. You see this control right here, if I plug my TV onto it, and then when I turn off my TV, all the green stuff that I plug in will also turn off, which is sick. So I'm gonna start trying to build and try to do this, so let's do it. I'm gonna set you guys up real quick. Peace. Okay, guys. This is what it looks like. And since I'm using this, and I want to see the big thing. Will it charge my tablet? This is the big thing. Let's see. And you guys will be able to see if it's charging. You guys will be the first one to see. Let's see. 3, 2, 1. What's it doing? It's charging. No way. Okay. So now we know that works. What? My tablet just did somewhat crazy. It was at 0%. You guys will watch this. Now it's straight up at 33%. Like, watch. 33. Right there. I guess that's why it's called super fast charging. Okay. What else do I want it to be plugged in with? What's this connect to? For that, okay. I want plugs. Plug into the TV. Maybe. I don't know, guys. It might work for my TV. I really do not know. Alright, let's see if this contraption can work. Let's see. Okay. Okay, I'm looking. Alright, let's see. I literally see no cords for my TV. Like, I don't see any cords. Like, there's any cords to it. Oh yeah, that's my Chromebook charger. Of Chromebook. I'm getting a new Chromebook. Why, you might ask? I'll just show you. This. Never mind. I can't show you. Oh wait, maybe I can. Okay. And so, see where the charging, where this goes into the tablet? Yeah, well, inside there it broke. So yeah. So I looked for like another hour, and I still do not see anything. But, oh, wait a minute. Hold on. This one? Eyes, my friend. Okay. Connect to this right here. Okay. Guys, guess what? I think I found it. Alright. then this is gonna go down here, and then this is gonna come up here. Yeah. Perfect. That's fine. Sorry guys for not talking. I'm just messing with this, which is working, so. Yes! Yes, I did it! So I wanna see if it'll work. Okay. So what should I plug in? Okay, I'll do that. I'll have to test it. Hold on. Alright guys. I think I got the final project. And if you guys think I have long eyelashes, just comment down below. A lot of people think I do. I don't really take it as a like make fun of or like bullying, but alright. So this is what the finished hold on. The final project looks like. So you see, we got my tablet charger right here. We got the PlayStation. We got the TV for the TV. This is nothing. Then this right here is my phone charger. What I gotta do, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn on my TV. It's on. Then I'm gonna turn on my PS5, and then I'm gonna turn my TV off. And then if it falls, then yeah. Alright, I'll see you when I'm all ready. Alright guys, it's almost done, so just hang in there. Alright, it's turning on. Hopefully. Alright, let me actually do it like this. Huh? Look what it says. Your PS5. Hold on. Hold on. Maybe it'll work now. See? Your PS5 wasn't turned off properly. The AC power cord. Select power. Turn off PS5. Okay, I'll do that real quick. See you in a sec. Alright guys, I got that all set up. And now it's time for the good part. Boy, let's get into it. First, I gotta get you set up. So I'll be there. Alright guys, I think I got it real good. So now, frick. Hold on. Sorry guys. I know you guys might not like the lights. It's like when I watch the Grinch movie. Alright, now I'm gonna turn this off. Alright, where's my remote? Ah, is it under here? Please don't be under here. Any source. I found the remote. Okay. Got it. Alright. So, you guys can kind of see PS5 now. Alright. Ready? Turn it off. You gonna turn off? You gonna turn off, my boy? Better. Guys, I think this didn't work. It's okay though, because when you're having fun, you're having fun. I'll see you guys in the next one, which actually be tomorrow. I might make another one today, but see ya. Boom, boom, and peace out. Okay, guys. I accidentally ended one of the videos. I'm just gonna add it back, but it actually worked. After like 5 minutes, it worked. I heard like a tick, and then I saw it gone, then it did a tick, which probably means it's getting out of energy mode. And then I turned on my TV right here, like right here, yeah. But then it ticked again, and it's still off, but yeah. So it works. So, not gonna do my intro again. See you guys in the next one. Peace.